Welcome to 601 Preston Drive, Royse City, Texas. As I walk you through this 3-bed, 2-bath, you'll notice in the front foyer the 10-foot ceilings with the 2 rounded arches. On the right side of the house, you have 2 beds and 1 full bath. The front bedroom measures approximately 11 feet by 12, has a large window with tons of natural light coming in, and a remote control ceiling fan. In between the 2 front bedrooms is the full bath that includes the bath shower module that is built for strength and durability with 0 grout lines and very limited on the caulk to prohibit any type of mildew in the future, which also makes it low maintenance. The second bedroom measures approximately 11 feet by 12, 2-inch Fox blinds, and a remote control ceiling fan. Entering into the large family room that measures 18 by 13, has tons of natural light to come in, and 12-foot ceilings. The primary bedroom, measuring 14 by 13, overlooks the large backyard and a neighboring small pond. In the rear of the house, it is separated from the front bedrooms to allow for that privacy. Entering into the primary bath, you also have the bath shower module that's built for strength and durability, low maintenance as it has no grout lines to prohibit any type of mildew growth in the future. Large walk-in closet. And a large vanity with tons of counter space. Walking through the family room, it overlooks the 10-foot by 8-foot dining area for a large table for those family gatherings, and a 14-foot by 10-foot kitchen with granite countertops that allow counter space, black appliances, built-in microwave, electric stove, and a walk-in pantry. And as we walk through the backyard, you see the decked patio overlooking the great scenery of the neighbor's pond, large backyard for those family gatherings and parties or for the kids to play in. 601 Preston Drive is located in Woodland Creek, comes with an amenity center, pool and basketball court, playground, minutes away from a high school elementary, located right off of I-30 in Royse City, minutes from Buc-ee's and Stone River Golf Club.